Hi, my name is Irina and I'm a co-founder of Ocerra. In this video, I'm going to show you how Ocerra can capture invoices from the email, how it can extract data from the invoice, and how you can export invoices to your financials or ERP system. Everything starts from the invoice. Let's pretend that I'm a supplier and I'm going to email an invoice to Ocerra. So I'm going to use my demo at Ocerra account and call it product tour invoice and attach an ABC furniture invoice and let's say something hi there. And now I'm going to send it to Ocerra. For every client, we assign a unique email address. It can be something as xyz invoices at ocerra.com or abcbills@ocerra.com. So you can give it directly to your suppliers and they can email and send invoices to your Ocerra inbox. So now I'm on the receiving side and I'm going to log in into Ocerra and see what we have. So as an admin person, I'm going to mostly work in the invoices folder. And this folder gives me a general view of all my incoming invoices. All the new invoices will appear on the top. So here we have our ABC Furniture invoice. Let's open it up and see. So on the left, I have my original document that I have just emailed to Ocerra, and on the right I have all the information that's been already extracted for me. So I don't need to print this invoice and I don't need to manually enter and key all this information into the financial system. What I want to do as an admin person is to just double check that I'm happy with this information and submit and export to my financials. So let's just see what information Ocerra can extract. Invoice number, invoice date, GST number, net, total, and GST are calculated based on the supplier rates. If there is a PO number, it would also match with the invoice. I mean, if it's in your financial system. Due date or terms, if there is a specific term on the invoice, it will calculate it as well. Ocerra can also extract and autofill all the description, all the lines, quantity, amount, and autofill GL codes or activity codes. So I'm pretty happy with this invoice. It looks right to me. So what I want to do now is to submit this invoice. If this invoice needs to be approved, you can automatically set up approval based on the value or based on specific people who need to approve it. Let's assume that I have just received a notification and I'm an approver and I need to approve this invoice. In this case, I'll see this approve button. I'll click approve and let's say I'm happy with this invoice and I click confirm. So now what we want to do is to export this invoice to our financial system. I go to export folder. For the purpose of this demo, I'm using Xero, but it's pretty much the same for any other system. You pick an invoice or pick multiple invoices and they'll be exported to your financials or ERP. So here's our invoice. I click select and I click export. So invoice has been exported and now let's see how it looks in Xero. I'll just refresh the page. And because this invoice already been approved, I should expect it in awaiting payment folder. ABC Furniture. And as we can see here, all the information, all the description, quantity, unit price, and account have already been exported for me. So everything I need to do is just to pay this invoice, and if I need to double check, there is a document attached. And let's say I'm finished with this invoice, I can go back to Ocerra. say, assume we paid this invoice, we've done with this invoice. What I want to do is to archive. Archive is mainly done for the purpose if you don't want to clutter your inbox, and you click OK, save, and close. And you can set up archiving automatically. If you're happy with the invoice and it's been exported, it will automatically archive. I hope this information was helpful. If you'd like to learn more about Ocerra, I have posted information below this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.